Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Red King from Ultraman. Now, if you'd like to see more of these Titans from the Ultraman series, definitely let me know and I'd be happy to draw them. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with Red King from Ultraman, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down, and that's going to come up. Next, we're going to just make a line that's going to curve down and up for the eye. And then we're just going to color in a little black dot for the pupil. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up and down for the eyebrow. Then we want to leave some space. We're going to make a line that's going to go out and in for the other eyebrow. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then down. And we're going to color in two black dots for the nose. And then I'm going to make two little curved lines above it. Now for the mouth, let's bring this line down. We're going to come up and down. And we're going to bring this up and then down again. Next, we're going to make a point here. And we're going to make a point here for his big sharp teeth. And then we'll make a couple small pointy teeth. And even a couple back here. Next, we're going to bring this line down and curve it up here. And then we're going to put some little sharp teeth along here. Then we're going to curve this around for the lip. And we'll make another one that curves here. And then we're going to bring these lines here. I'm going to add a couple little curves. Then we're going to make some points up here on the head. So I'm going to make one. And then I'm going to make a second bigger point like this. Then we're going to make a little line that comes down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm just going to put some bumps on here because he's got a really long neck. And then I'm going to make some lines that just kind of curl right around here, and they're going to get a little bit bigger as they come around. Next, I'm going to make a couple bumps where the chest would be. And then I'm going to make these big curved lines on here for where the stomach would be, and we're going to make them a little bit smaller as we start to get down. I'm going to make some bumps that come out and then down to here. Then for the feet, I'm going to make some big curvy shapes like this, like some big toes. And then I'm going to curve this back to here. Then I'm going to make a couple more little curve shapes here. Now this part's going to be interesting. We got to make a leg. It's going to come out and then in. So what we want to do is we got to make these curved lines. So I'm going to make them come really wide and then they're going to come in. You can kind of see it's at an angle almost. I'm going to curve this line down. And I'm going to make a big circle here. A big circle here. And then a big circle here. I'm going to bring this up, and we're going to make more of these big kind of points here. Almost kind of look like clouds. Now, let's go ahead and make the arm up here. So to make the arm, we're going to make some lines that just kind of come down like this, and then they're going to go over. Then we're going to make a claw here. And then we're going to make 1, 2, 3, and then 4 here. And we're going to do that same thing, just kind of make these bumps right to here. Let's make a little line down too. Now right here, we're going to make some more little bumps for this other arm. I want to make a line that's going to come up for a thumb. And then we're going to make 2, 3, and then 4 claws. And then we're going to make some more bumps coming right up here. And we'll do another little line down. Next, I'm going to curve these lines down here for the tail. And then we're just going to bring these lines up, and then we're going to bring this down. You can see I'm making all these curves. Then we just want to connect this with a couple little bumps. And then we're going to make some more little bumps that just kind of follow this little design right here. Okay, so we got the basic kind of outline done of our Red King. Okay, he kind of looks like the little Michelin tire guy. Now I want to come in here and add some of the different details to kind of make him look more realistic. So on all these bumps, I'm just going to curve these lines down into here. And then I'm going to make a couple little broken lines on here for some detail. I'm going to curve some of these lines in. And then I'm going to bring some of these lines over too on this side. Now I'm going to make a couple little lines there. Now I'm going to bring some broken lines kind of right across here to add some texture. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Just kind of adding these little lines for some texture. And we can add some extra little lines right around some of these areas for some detail. I'm also going to bring some of these broken lines down here on the tail. And then I'm going to make these kind of oval shapes on the toes for the toenails. It's got kind of like goofy looking toes. Then we're going to make some little broken lines on here. And some more broken lines on here. I'm going to make some little lines for claws. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Red King from Ultraman. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.